In the ever-evolving landscape of home automation, the Roborock E4 robot vacuum emerges as a game-changer, combining smart navigation, powerful suction, and multiple control options to redefine your cleaning experience. This review aims to uncover the unique features that make the E4 stand out in the competitive world of robotic vacuums. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Opticeye motion tracking, your home mapped efficiently. The E4 boasts Opticeye motion tracking and dual gyroscope route algorithms, setting it apart from others in its class. This innovative technology enables Z-shape route navigation, ensuring every nook and cranny of your home is thoroughly cleaned. The cleaning map it builds up on the app provides a visual testament to its comprehensive cleaning prowess. 4 cleaning modes, tailored cleaning for every floor. Equipped with 4 cleaning modes: Silent, Balanced, Turbo, Max, the E4 caters to different floor types and cleaning needs. Whether you have hardwood, tiles, or carpets, this robotic vacuum adapts, ensuring optimal cleaning performance. On carpets, it automatically boosts suction power to 2000 PA, eliminating even the most stubborn dust particles for a healthier living space. Extended battery life, uninterrupted cleaning for larger homes. The E4's large battery capacity ensures an impressive 200-minute runtime, capable of cleaning up to 152 square feet on a single charge. If the robot vacuum runs low on battery during its cleaning session, it autonomously returns to recharge and then resumes cleaning from where it left off. This feature makes the E4 an ideal choice for larger homes, taking the worry out of cleaning expansive spaces. Generous dustbin and washable filter. Effortless maintenance. Featuring a spacious 640 ml dustbin, the E4 can handle more debris, reducing the frequency of emptying. The washable filter not only contributes to a longer service life, but also enhances cleaning efficiency. The combination of a large dustbin and washable filter reflects the E4's commitment to user convenience and efficient cleaning. Versatile control methods. You're cleaning your way. The E4 offers multiple control options to suit diverse user preferences. The mag-based remote control provides a physical interface for those who prefer a hands-on approach, making it ideal for the elderly or those without smartphones. For tech-savvy users, the My Home app offers comprehensive control, allowing you to start, schedule, and monitor cleaning sessions remotely. Moreover, the E4 seamlessly integrates with voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, adding an extra layer of convenience for those with busy hands. 24-hour customer care, assurance beyond purchase. Roborock stands behind the E4 with a 12-month warranty, demonstrating their commitment to product quality. Should you have any questions or concerns, their 24-hour customer service center ensures that assistance is just a call away. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.